Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2005 Honda Interceptor 800. This V4 liquid-cooled, fuel-injected Interceptor just arrived with only 10,250 miles. Beautiful metallic silver paint scheme, twin undertail exhaust system. It's got the side stand and center stand, rear seat cowl. We don't usually get them with this low of mileage. This thing is in beautiful shape, low mileage. Come on by, make your Interceptor dreams come true for just $49.99. We have financing available. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bucks in stock. He's a beauty. Single-sided swing arm. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.